Alrighty guys, so this is what the door looks like when you first come in. Then that's my mom and my sister. There's a closet. And then this is our living room. We're gonna put a fireplace and a mounted TV right there. Coming in here is my mom's room. This is the master. So it looks just like this, as you can see. And then this is my mom's closet. She just has a really big walk-in. Like, this is literally the hugest closet ever. So that's her closet. This is her bathroom. And then you come out here and there's just like a big window. And then over here is our deck. Now we have a bit of a bigger deck than last time. So it just looks like this. This is the view now. I mean, it's not like the cutest view ever, but I mean, this is just what our deck looks like. As you can see, it's a lot bigger than the other one. The kitchen has another like food pantry.
You want a bite?
This is the kitchen. This is my sister's room. I know there's just bags right now with her stuff in it. And then this is my room right here. And this is the one I wound up taking. As you guys can see, it has like an L window shape. So I think this is nice for what I want to do with it. And then I just have the two double closet. I'm gonna turn the light on. So as you guys can see, you just go in here and then you walk in and it just keeps going. It's literally the hugest closet like in the entire freaking universe. So super big closets. And then there's another door right here which opens into the bathroom. And yeah, this is just the bathroom as you guys can see. And that's honestly pretty much it, guys. Good morning, guys. First of all, I look so gross. I'm literally like disgusting. My face is breaking out, but that's not the point of this video. The movers are about to come. So yeah, guys, the movers are about to come and get our stuff all done. So I showed you guys an empty apartment tour last night, but I look so ratchet, but it's fine. Like, I don't need to look cute for this. I'm literally wearing like a freaking Wawa sweater. My sister works at Wawa, so yeah. So the lighting is so good right here, like yay. But I still look ratchet. But the movers are about to come, so I'm gonna kind of like direct them, tell them where to go and where to put stuff. So I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Fee, guys, my dog is scared. She's like in this new environment. She has no idea what's going on. She's like, why is everything so empty? Where is my stuff? What is going on? Fee, it's okay. It's okay, Bubby. It's okay. This is our new home, okay? Guys, I feel so bad. I feel so horrible. She's like so scared. Come on. All right, guys, a little bit of an update. My room is still a complete mess. Like, nothing's done, but at least like some of the stuff is set up. This is my bed, and then my little dresser over there, and then my two closets. This mirror, which needs to go up over the bed, which I'm gonna do tomorrow. Sorry for the lighting, but you know, it's nighttime, girl. So over here is my beauty corner. It just has those two windows. And then there's my makeup and then my makeup desk. And then I don't know how to put my light yet. And then I have like a mirror behind that door to see like my outfits and everything. I was originally gonna put a full length, but my room is smaller, I will say, than my last room, the structure of it. So can thank my sister for that. She's a bigger bed than me, so I kind of had to. But it's still gonna look nice with like the mirror there, and then my bed, and then all this stuff. Again, my closets are freaking insane, guys. Like, it takes up half the room. So I have my closets, and then in here is the bathroom. As you can see, I'll turn on the lights so you guys can see. Just again, this isn't done either. Oh, that's like peeping out. But yeah, this is the bathroom. Not done yet, nothing's done. We literally just moved in, so like some stuff is done. And then I have like this poof and then like my TV. And yeah guys, I'm putting like a Chanel picture right there. So I'll update you guys tomorrow when I do that.
I've been moving calm, no start, no trouble with me. Tryna keep it peaceful is a struggle for me. Don't pull up at 6 a.m. to cut on me. You know how I like it when you loving on me.